Good morning to all. This is Rekhamchala of class 7C to do an oral presentation on the topic water. We all may know that 22nd March is celebrated as the World Water Day. No wonder we celebrate World Water Day every year to attract the attention of everybody towards the importance of conserving the water. The amount of water recommended by the United Nations for drinking, washing and cooking and maintaining proper hygiene is a minimum of 50 liters per person per day. How much water is available? We are aware that 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Almost all the water on the earth is contained in the seas and oceans, rivers, lakes, ice caps, as groundwater and in the atmosphere too. We know that water on the earth has been maintained for millions of years by various processes which make the water cycle. We know that when water circulates through the water cycle, it can be found in all the three forms, which is the solid, liquid and gas. Solid. The particles that make up a solid are tightly packed together and cannot move easily. A solid usually has a definite shape. A solid does not flow and cannot be poured into a container. A solid has a definite volume also. The solid form, snow and ice, is present as ice caps at the poles of the earth, snow-covered mountains and glaciers. Liquid. The particles that make up a liquid are not very closely packed together and can move around more than in solids. A liquid has no definite shape. A liquid has a definite volume. Liquid water is present in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, and even underground. Gas. The particles that make up a gas are very loosely packed together and can move around very freely. A gas has no definite shape or volume. A gas can flow very easily. Examples of gases are steam, oxygen and CO2, carbon dioxide. Air is also a mixture of gases. The atmosphere and land in a continuous cycle called the water cycle. The water cycle involves the following processes: evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Evaporation. The heat of the sun causes the evaporation of water from water bodies to form water vapor and rises up in the atmosphere. Condensation. As the water vapor rises, it cools down and eventually condenses into tiny droplets of water. These droplets join together to form clouds. Precipitation. Within clouds, water droplets combine to form larger droplets of water. When the droplets become too heavy, they fall from the clouds as rain. Water from the atmosphere returns to the ground in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. Thank you and have a nice day.